Has been the target of executive orders and investigations, but just how much control does Chinese parent ByteDance have over the TikTok app? CNBC.com's Sal Rodriguez found that the answer is more than you might expect, and the man behind that story, Sal, joins us now. They're looking at data from U.S. users in China, Sal?
Yeah, so John, thanks for having me on. I spoke with some former TikTok employees, and what they told me is that ByteDance is heavily involved with the operations at TikTok, so much so that there are times when TikTok employees in California will need to access U.S. user information, and they'll have to go through their Chinese counterparts to do so. So that alone is pretty alarming. It shows that Chinese employees have access to American user data, which runs pretty contrary to what we've heard thus far from the company.
Now, Sal, so often in this cloud era, we have seen countries say, you've got to store our user data in country and you can't take it out. Does this point to perhaps the need for that sort of regulation overall? I mean, could this have happened? Is this happening in Europe as well? Could this be a GDPR issue?
This is certainly something that some of the experts that I spoke with said that it comes down to user privacy rights. You know, in the U.S., it's been a while since lawmakers really updated the regulations and laws that, protect users and their data. So some said that it's alarming that TikTok is, using American data this way, but at the same time, more protection across the board would be beneficial.
Now, speaking of TikTok and data, there's an interesting thread happening over the past several days and weeks. Black TikTok creators have been boycotting, in effect, the platform, arguing that too many other creators are copying their dance moves and getting popular off of them. What's your sense on the impact that this is having on the platform? I saw some headlines about Megan Thee Stallion and perhaps the popularity of her latest song on TikTok being affected by this. But is this something that TikTok can or you think will respond to?
I think this goes beyond TikTok. I think this is more about the culture within the app. But yeah, there's no question that, Black users create a lot of the culture that comes out of TikTok, and TikTok creates a lot of the culture that, proliferates throughout our country today. So it is, fascinating to see these creators rise up and make noise about this. There's one user in particular that I want to highlight. His name is @KhalilGreen. He does such a good job highlighting how pretty much anything that you see on TikTok originated from a Black creator.